Hello everyone. Welcome to IAS. Let's discuss today's prelims topics. Question 1 with reference to Sal Tree. Consider the following statements. 1. It's an evergreen tree. 2. It is the state tree of two Indian states, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. 3. The tree is native to India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Tibet, and across the Himalayan regions. Which of the following given above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 3. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is B. It is the state tree of two Indian states, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. In wetter areas, Sal is evergreen. In drier areas, it is dry season deciduous, shading most of the leaves from February to April, and leafing out again in April and May. Odisha has a rich depository of sal seeds accounting for 25% of the country's production, which played a significant role in the economics of the tribal people in the state. Around 40% of the total tribal populations here are engaged in collecting and processing the seeds to eke out a living. Other major sal seeds producing states include Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand. Question to consider the following statements about Shannon Powerhouse. 1. Commissioned in 1932, the Shannon Hydroelectric Powerhouse was built under a 99-year lease between Joginder Singh, the then King of Mandi State, and British engineer Colonel B.C. Batty in 1925. 2. First powerhouse of Himachal Pradesh. 3. The Shannon Powerhouse is currently under the control of the Haryana State Electricity Board. Which of the following given above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is A. The first powerhouse of Himachal Pradesh is the Bhuri Singh project in Chamba. British engineer Colonel B.C. Batty and his team, in collaboration with the then ruler of Joginder Nagar region, Raja Karan Sen, designed and created it. The Shannon Powerhouse is currently under the control of the Punjab State Electricity Board, and the whole of the revenue goes to the Punjab government. It is to be handed over to the Himachal Pradesh government in 2024 after the completion of a 99-year lease. British engineer Colonel B.C. Batty wanted to construct 5 hydroelectric power stations by utilizing the water of the Uhal River. To bring men and materials for work to this place, a railway line was built from Pathankot to Joginder Nagar. To deliver construction material to the hilltop for making a water reservoir at Barot, a funicular trolley way system was created there. Question 3. Consider the following statements about fixed dose combination, FDC, medicines. 1. This refer to products containing one or more active ingredients used for a particular indications. 2. Initially, fixed dose combination drug products were developed to target a single disease, such as with antiretroviral FDCs used against AIDS. Which of the following given above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both. D. None. The answer is C. However, FDCs may also target multiple diseases conditions. In cases of FDCs targeting multiple conditions, such conditions might often be related in order to increase the number of prospective patients who might be likely to use a given FDC product. This is because each FDC product is mass-produced and thus typically requires having a critical mass of potentially applicable patients in order to justify its manufacture, distribution, stocking, etc. Question 4. What is Vibrio bacteria? 1. Vibrio is a genus of gram-positive bacteria possessing a curved rod, shape. 2. Several species of which can cause foodborne infection, usually associated with eating undercooked seafood. 3. Being highly salt intolerant and unable to survive in salt water, Vibrio spp. are commonly found in various freshwater environments. Which of the following given above is correct? A. Only one. B. Only two. C. All three. D. None. The answer is B. Vibrio is a genus of gram-negative bacteria possessing a curved rod, shape. Being highly salt-tolerant and unable to survive in freshwater, Vibrio spp. is commonly found in various saltwater environments. Question 5. Consider the following statements about salt cavern-based reserves v. rock cavern-based reserves. 1. Unlike underground rock caverns, which are developed through excavation, salt caverns are developed by the process of solution mining, which involves pumping water into geological formations with large salt deposits to dissolve the salt. 2. Salt cavern-based oil storage facilities are also naturally well sealed and engineered for rapid injection and extraction of oil. 3. Unlike rock caverns, salt cavern-based storage can be created and operated almost entirely from the surface. Which of the following given above is correct? A. Only one. B. Only two. C. All three. D. None. The answer is C. Unlike underground rock caverns, which are developed through excavation, salt caverns are developed by the process of solution mining, which involves pumping water into geological formations with large salt deposits to dissolve the salt. After the brine, water with dissolved salt, is pumped out of the formation, the space can be used to store crude oil. The process is simpler, faster, and less cost-intensive than developing excavated rock caverns. Salt cavern-based oil storage facilities are also naturally well sealed and engineered for rapid injection and extraction of oil. This makes them a more attractive option than storing oil in other geological formations. Question 6. Consider the following statements about Li-ion battery. 1. It is a type of rechargeable battery that uses the reversible reduction of lithium ions to store energy. 2. The negative electrode of a conventional lithium-ion cell is typically silver. 3. Lithium-ion batteries cannot be a safety hazard. A. Only one. B. Only two. C. All three. D. None. The answer is A. The negative electrode of a conventional lithium-ion cell is typically graphite, a form of carbon. Lithium-ion batteries can be a safety hazard if not properly engineered and manufactured, since cells have flammable electrolytes and, if damaged or incorrectly charged, can lead to explosions and fires. Question 7. Consider the following statements about petroleum coke, abbreviated coke or petcoke. 1. It is a final carbon-rich solid material that derives from oil refining. 2. It is one type of the group of fuels referred to as cokes. 3. Petcoke is over 80% carbon and emits 5% to 10% more carbon dioxide (CO2) than coal on a per unit of energy basis when it is burned. Which of the following given above is correct? A. Only one. B. Only two. C. All three. D. None. The answer is C. Also produced in the production of synthetic crude oil, Syncrude, from bitumen extracted from Canada's tar sands and from Venezuela's Orinoco oil sands. Question 8. Consider the following statements about Myristica swamps. 1. Myristica swamps are a type of saltwater swamp forest predominantly composed of species of Myristica. 2. Myristica swamps are found in the northern Indian states. Which of the following given above is Myristica swamp? A. Only one. B. Only two. C. Both. D. None. The answer is D. Myristica swamps are found in the Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka state and in the southern parts of Kerala. Myristica swamps are a type of freshwater swamp forest predominantly composed of species of Myristica. Thank you, everyone. Do subscribe to this channel. Use code SPLIVE to join Unacademy.